Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge on your PC step by step. If you'd rather use Google instead of the default search engine, you can easily change it in your browser settings. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Services section. Click Address Bar and Search. Next, find the Search Engine Used in Address Bar option. Click the drop-down menu and select Google. If Google isn't listed, first visit www.google.com in Microsoft Edge, then return to the Address Bar and Search settings. Google should now appear as an available search engine. If you also see the Search on New Tabs uses Search Box or Address Bar option, select Address Bar to ensure searches use your default search engine. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. Now, open a new tab or type a search directly into the address bar to confirm that Google is being used. And that's it. You've successfully made Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Edge tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.